Call for the roll on the way up. And now pull back on the stick. Come across the top to rejoin. All right, as we watch right now, from your left, that's Rob Holland. From our right, inverted. Jack Knudsen as they go. They reverse positions now. Rob exits stage right, inverted. And Jack exits stage left, upright. They come right back up into the vertical. Half rolls each. Rob does a full roll. Get ready, folks, watching from Airshow left. Now watch, you can see out here off Airshow. Let's watch here, folks. This looks like a mirror image hammerhead. Hanging on, hanging on. Oh, man, crossing over. Is that a wild or what? Ladies and gentlemen, they are the Firebirds Extreme. That is Jack Knudsen and Rob Holland. Have your cameras ready, as they'll be setting up right now for a nice photo pass. Give them a great big wave. You know they've been working hard for us today. We want to let them know just how much we appreciate how hard they've been working for us out there. Again, what a day to be here in Battle Creek. As we watch out here, the best of the best are all in Michigan this weekend, and we're looking forward to what's going to be a great full weekend right on through the 4th of July right here in Battle Creek. As we watch coming down the show line here, folks, coming up this afternoon yet. Next on our agenda, you're going to get a chance to see real wing walking action. Chief Susie and Teresa Stokes. You got Kent Peach, of course, will be back with us here as he'll attempt to land that Interstate Cadet on the roof of the RV. But right now, coming down the show line, look at that, folks, rolling from upright to inverted and right back on around again. The mirror image rolls of the Firebird Extreme team. Jack Knudsen and Rob Holland. That is some incredible flying. Susie, real wing walking action right here at the Battle Creek Airshow and Balloon Festival. Now you can see he flies the airplane right through. As he reaches the 5/8 point, that little executes a half roll. He docks that airplane about a 45-degree downline. Wings start to really plunge. One thing about that show kit, it's got a lot of wing on it. There's a lot of lift. Right there, you can actually see that rudder deflect as Gene executes the hammerhead turn. The 4-point roll after the hammerhead. There's 3 and 4. Exit stage left. It's right down on the show line. Rolls that airplane down the level. Converts it into a natural sequence. And exit there, show left. Ladies and gentlemen, looks kind of flying. And you're enjoying one of the very best in the world right now. Skip Stewart. Watch Skip come down our show line. He tumbles that airplane right on around again. Look at that airplane just flail through the sky. Constant action, constant control. Now we watch Skip bring that airplane right back up and around. Flies the airplane through an outside half loop. At the top of this, he brings that stick back into his lap. There it is, folks, the world's smallest loop right on through. Position, and he extends Airshow left. Right. Extending out again. Airspeed winding up dramatically. Power all the way forward. Slides down the knife edge. Skips across the sky. Tumbles it right back. Oh, that is precision. Hard corners go flying as he takes it from knife edge, goes vertical. That knife edge goes vertical right on through and recovers out there, exiting stage right. You'll notice out here directly in front of the Airshow announcer stand, there are a group of people out there. They're holding a pole on each side of the tack. Quarter roll. Half a ratchet roll right there. Diving back in. Big head of steam as he dives in the Airshow center. Wrong your right. Prometheus flights in the sky. straight up in the vertical. Hanging on right now. Skip rocks right on through. Hanging on right there. Now coming back in out here off of Airshow right. He brings Prometheus down the deck. He's going to take a look at these ribbons. Coming down low. This passes, his view passes. Take a look out there. You can see him working the rudder. They're trying to get a good view at it here. Wow. Whoa. Look at that, folks. Prometheus in a low. Okay, he's coming back at us here. Hardcore turn right back into the aerobatic area here from our right side. Let's watch how Skip rolls to the inverted. Now he's settling in. He wants to stay below the top ribbon and cut the second ribbon. All right, look at that, folks. 6 seconds.
For all the veterans, servicemen and women making this day possible. Rob, that looks just great, man. What's coming on? Rolling in excess of 500 degrees per second right there. That aircraft is all carbon fiber, 1,200 pounds, 385 horsepower, plus or minus 16 G. Best of all, it's made right here in the United States of America. Nowadays, past trips are considered the most dangerous of all flight conditions of pilot could experience. Let's watch today as Rob masters not one, but 3 different spin modes, all on this single vertical downline. He's at full power. He's out of airspeed. He's got to make a choice here. Pushes hard forward on the 6, full right rudder, full power on. He's an inverted flat spin right now, coming down, round and round he goes. Transitions to a knife edge spin. Notice how rapidly he loses altitude there. And it rests that spin rate with the upright flat spin. The triple spin combination of the veteran Humboldt MX2 right here at Battle Creek. Now let you enjoy the music and notice the precise way in which Rob enters and exits his next 2 tunnel moves. Truly a Rob Holland trademark.
Inverted roll. But look closely, for both aircraft are in the carrier landing configuration as they approach for a maneuver we call the Fortus.
Look, upside down.